Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now. Make sure battery is over half charged and the charger is plugged in, because firmware changes must not be interrupted. Once ready, shut down the Vivobook and press ESC or F2 repeatedly as it powers on to enter the BIOS or UEFI menu. The exact key depends on model. Note the BIOS version and current secure boot setting. Take a quick photo so you can restore defaults if needed. This protects you if something goes wrong during the next steps. Once inside BIOS, navigate to the Security, Boot, or Advanced tab. Asus menus vary, so look carefully. If the Secure Boot toggle is grayed out, set a supervisor or administrator password in the Security menu. This unlocks firmware controls. Next, change the OS type from Windows UEFI to Other OS or directly set Secure Boot to Disabled. This allows non-signed bootloaders. Make sure to confirm each selection before leaving the screen, and don't exit without saving the change. Otherwise, you'll return to the original state. Save your changes. Press F10 or pick Save and Exit and confirm. The laptop will reboot immediately. Once the OS starts, open System Information or use firmware tools to verify Secure Boot is off. This confirms the change stuck. If the system does not boot or you see drivers fail, reboot and enter BIOS. Either re-enable Secure Boot temporarily or load setup defaults to recover. If problems persist, use your recorded BIOS photo and password.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.